What if the camera you've been waiting on for over a year is finally the one that actually changes everything? GoPro skipped its usual yearly rhythm, stayed quiet while competitors were making noise, and now all eyes are locked on the Hero 14 Black. And honestly, the leaks, the rumors, the teaser footage, none of it points to just another spec bump. In this video, we're breaking down the new processor, the camera upgrades, the battery improvements, the AI features, and something GoPro's been quietly teasing that could completely flip the script on what an action camera even is. So, stick around because this one gets wild toward the end. Let's start where it all begins, under the hood. GoPro is finally moving away from the processor they've been running since the Hero 10. That chip carried the lineup for years, mostly through firmware tricks and better heat management, but let's be honest, it was running out of runway. The new processor, rumored to be the GP3, is expected to land on a 5nm build, and that's a massive leap. We're potentially talking close to double the performance compared to what's in the Hero 13. What does that actually mean for you? Better efficiency, way less overheating during long shoots, and smarter, faster image processing right out of the gate. Now, here's where the spec sheet gets exciting. There's strong chatter around 8K video support and 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second. But honestly, the frame rate numbers aren't even the most interesting part. The real story is what's happening to overall image quality. Better dynamic range, cleaner shadows, and footage that looks genuinely usable straight from the camera without heavy editing. Low light has always been GoPro's soft spot, and leaks suggest a larger sensor this time, possibly pushing toward 1-inch territory. Combine that with the new chip and smarter processing, and you might finally have a GoPro that doesn't tap out when the sun goes down. You know what's funny? People always talk about resolution and skip right past battery life, and then complain mid-shoot when their camera dies. Reports are pointing to anywhere between a 40 to 90% improvement in battery life this time. That range sounds wild, but if the GP3 chip is genuinely more efficient, the math actually checks out. And then there's the AI layer, which GoPro seems to be leaning into hard. A dedicated neural processing unit could bring smarter scene detection, better auto settings, and even automatic highlight creation built right into the camera. Trust me on this one. For creators who just want to shoot and go, that's a bigger deal than any frame rate number. So here's the straightforward part. Pricing is expected to land somewhere in the $400 to $450 range, which keeps it in familiar GoPro territory. Nothing shocking there. But given how significant these upgrades are shaping up to be, that price point feels a lot more justified than it has in recent years. The Hero 13 was solid, but it felt like a refinement. The Hero 14, if the leaks hold up, feels like an actual reset. But here's where it gets really interesting. Alongside the Hero 14, GoPro has been teasing footage that looks nothing like a traditional action camera. Macro shots, background blur, cinematic framing. This could mean a larger sensor, real autofocus, and possibly an entirely new camera category from GoPro. This isn't just about catching up anymore. It feels like GoPro is finally ready to play a completely different game. So, what do you think? Is the Hero 14 the comeback GoPro needed, or is that mystery camera the real story? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next one.